Hello everyone, welcome back to a more live session with Chef Sarthak Kochar. I'm back again with some healthy midnight snack recipes. So we'll wait for some people and then we're gonna start. And till the time you can see my lovely kitchen, I have done a lovely setup for my night kitchen as it is midnight snacks. So we should have some lights, we should have a beautiful kitchen, and let's begin. So before going to the my recipe, I'll start off with something really special. So here we go. So this is my YouTube channel, Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kochar. Don't forget to subscribe. Link is there on my description, and you can have a look at my YouTube channel. So before starting, I'll show you my lovely kitchen. I have done a night setup especially for midnight snacks. You can see my lovely kitchen, and today I will be preparing two lovely snacks, healthy snacks for everyone. So you can see my setup. Here is the ingredients, my lovely fridge, and I will be preparing something very special with flax seeds today. I'm using organic flax seeds. आप सब जानते ही होंगे आजकल सब लोग हेल्दी खाना पसंद करते हैं, तो हम आज बनाएंगे फ्लेक्स सीड से टॉर्टिला. जैसे आप घर पे रोटी बनाते हैं वैसे ही हम बनाएंगे फ्लेक्स सीड की टॉर्टिला, और उसके अंदर हम करेंगे फिलिंग, और साथ में हम बनाएंगे एक लवली ड्रिंक जो उसके साथ अकम्पनी करेगी, एंड इट विल बी super tasty. So let's begin. I'm back again. So let me show you my ingredients for today. I'm preparing flaxseed tortilla. It's a flaxseed powder, salt, garlic powder, chili flakes, paprika, bell pepper, garlic, mint, Amul mozzarella cheese, cucumber, and some Greek yogurt. So let's start with our first recipe. See guys, everybody prepare tortilla by kneading a dough. और हम आज क्या करने वाले हैं, आज हम डो गूंदेंगे पर उबलते हुए पानी के अंदर यूज करेंगे होते हैं, और फ्लेक्सीड्स बहुत जल्दी हार्ड हो जाता है उसका पाउडर, तो उसके पाउडर को हम पानी में गूंदेंगे उबलते हुए पानी के अंदर, उससे डो बहुत सॉफ्ट बनेगा. अब इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा पानी. पानी को हम गर्म होने देंगे. उसके अंदर हम डालेंगे फ्लेक्सीड्स पाउडर, सॉल्ट, गार्लिक पाउडर, चिली फ्लेक्स. आपके घर में अगर कोई मसाले अगर आप उसको हैं तो आप उसके अंदर डाल सकते हैं. हरी मिर्ची चॉप करके, ग्रीन चिली चॉप करके आप उसके अंदर डाल सकते हैं. पेपरिका पाउडर, आप उसके अंदर आपके ऊपर जो मसाला है वो डाल सकते हैं. मैं थोड़ा सा उसको ट्विस्ट दे रहा हूं, तो मैं ज्यादा मसाले यूज नहीं करूंगा. मैं पेपरिका पाउडर यूज करूंगा. आप देख सकते हैं मैं चिली फ्लेक्स यूज करूंगा, एंड गार्लिक पाउडर यूज करूंगा, एंड सॉल्ट यूज करूंगा. और साथ में हम उसकी बनाएंगे फिलिंग हमारी लवली ग्रीक योगर्ट के साथ. अब आप देख रहे हैं पानी जैसे उबलना शुरू होगा, इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे फ्लेक्सीड पाउडर. एंड आप सब लोग मेरा इंस्टाग्राम लाइव भी देख सकते हैं, वो भी साथ साथ शुरू हो चुका है, और साथ साथ हम बनाएंगे फेसबुक लाइव. देखिए पानी उबलने वाला है, और इसके अंदर हम डालना शुरू करेंगे फ्लेक्स. जब तक पानी उबल रहा है आपको खौलते हुए पानी के अंदर ही डालना है, क्योंकि आपको मैंने पहले भी बताया है अगर आप खौलते हुए पानी के अंदर नहीं डालेंगे तो हमारा डो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड बनेगा। पानी उबलना शुरू हो चुका है, इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा नमक, गार्लिक पाउडर, थोड़ा सा पेपरिका पाउडर, थोड़ा सा चिली फ्लेक्स। पानी उबलना शुरू हो गया है, इसमें डालेंगे फ्लैक्स सीड्स का पाउडर।
Chef Mahi Lokesh, they wants to ask, hello chef, what are you cooking today? I just joined, so please tell me again.
Today we are preparing our first recipe, healthy flax seeds tortilla. हम बना रहे हैं फ्लेक्स सीड पाउडर के साथ टॉर्टिला, और जिसको हम स्टफ करेंगे तजास्की के साथ। ये बहुत ही हेल्दी डिश है, जो लोग वेट लूज करना चाहते हैं इसकी टॉर्टिला बनाएं और वेट लूज करते जाएं। और आपको पता है फ्लेक्सीड की खासियत क्या है? फ्लेक्सीड यूज जब आप करते हैं तो ये आपका पेट बहुत जल्दी भर देता है। अगर एक या दो टॉर्टिला खाएंगे आपका पेट भर जाएगा, उसके बाद आप ओवर ईटिंग नहीं करेंगे। अगर आप ओवर ईटिंग नहीं करेंगे तो आप पतले हो जाएंगे।
Chef Malti Bhatia wants to know how much water have you taken?
Water is as per the quantity. If you are taking 1 cup of flour, you will take half cup of water. आधा, बिल्कुल आधा पानी यूज करेंगे। अब आप देख चुके हैं डो साइड्स छोड़ चुका है। जबरदस्त।
Chef, it's looking lovely.
अब हम इस डो को लेके ये डो तैयार हो चुका है। गरम है, देखिए डो कितना। डो को आप 2-3 मिनट के लिए छोड़ देंगे, ज्यादा ठंडा करके भी नहीं आपको उसको गूंदना है। अगर आप उसको ज्यादा ठंडा करके गूंदेंगे तो भी मुश्किल है, और अगर आप उसको ज्यादा गर्म में गूंदेंगे तो भी मुश्किल है। तो इसलिए 2-3 मिनट हम छोड़ेंगे। तब तक मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा हम इसकी फिलिंग कैसे बनाएंगे। फिलिंग बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए ग्रीक योगर्ट। इसमें हम डालेंगे चॉप कुकुम्बर। मैंने पहले ही कुकुम्बर काट रखे हैं ताकि आप सबका टाइम बचे। थोड़ा सा डालेंगे नमक, यहां पे मैंने फ्रेश मिंट रखा हुआ है। फ्रेश मिंट को हम थोड़ा चॉप कर लेंगे।
Poonam Sehgal wants to know how can we make flaxseed powder?
फ्लैक्सीड पाउडर के लिए आपको सिर्फ मैंने आपको दिखाया है, फ्लैक्सीड पाउडर का हमारे पास डब्बा है पाउडर, और इसको आपको सिर्फ मिक्सी में घुमाना है। ग्लीनर है तो इट हैज टू बी ड्राई, एंड इस पाउडर बनाने के बाद आप उसको किसी भी एयरटाइट कंटेनर में आप रख सकते हैं, एंड देन यू कैन यूज इट। सो हमने इसमें मिंट डाल दिया है, एंड देन विल पुट सम लेमन जूस। ये डिश बहुत ही हेल्दी है, बहुत ही रिफ्रेशिंग है। समर्स हैं, सब योगर्ट खाना पसंद करते हैं, तो ग्रीक योगर्ट तो बेस्ट है। आप लोग लस्सी पीते हैं, इससे अच्छा एक बढ़िया सा टॉर्टिला रैप रात में बनाएं। Instead of eating burger or sandwich or any bread, you prepare this lovely tortilla with this filling। और हम इसमें थोड़ा सा डालेंगे गार्लिक। ये हमने गार्लिक का क्लोव लिया है और इसको हम थोड़ा सा चॉप कर लेंगे। आप इसे क्रश भी कर सकते हैं। इसमें जाएगा गार्लिक। ये देखिए हमारा फिलिंग तैयार हो चुका है। जबरदस्त। चलो हमारा फिलिंग तैयार हो गया है। अब हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल स्टार्ट रोलिंग आवर फ्लैक्सीड्स टॉर्टिला। ये थोड़ा ठंडा हो चुका है, हम इसको डो में डिवाइड करेंगे। अब आता है ट्रिकी पार्ट। डो को बेलने के लिए आपको चाहिए बटर पेपर। अगर आप डो को बेलना चाहते हैं तो आप डायरेक्ट बेलन से नहीं बेल सकते, you need butter paper. And when once you have to roll the dough, you have to make a sandwich in a butter paper. I have taken a butter paper. I'm gonna just make sandwich. You can see here. Just press it, put it on the butter paper, and then we need to roll it.
Chef, some people have just joined. Can you name the dish?
The dish name is flourless tortilla. We are making tortilla with flaxseed powder and stuffed with tazaski. That is an Arabic dip made up of yogurt. You can use labne, you can use Greek yogurt, and then add some chopped cucumber. It's very refreshing. Chopped mint, chopped coriander, some garlic, and it's ready. Do you have any other questions?
Yeah, there's a question from Poonam Sehgal. Can we use hung curd instead of Greek yogurt?
Yes, you can use hung curd instead of Greek yogurt.
Shalvesh is saying, say hello to Chef on my behalf so he knows I am here.
Hi Shalvesh, nice to see you. Thanks for coming live with me. Now you can see our lovely thin tortilla is ready. We have this lovely cutter, and I will cut tortilla with this cutter. We will remove the excess part. Here it is. Now you can see pan is ready. We'll take a little bit of olive oil. Just drizzle on your pan. Let it get heated up, and we will start stirring our tortilla.
Shruti Lodha is saying very healthy and innovative tortilla.
Thank you so much, Shruti. Guys, I will be coming live every day, not on Amul, but on my Facebook page, on my Facebook profile, that is Chef Sarthak Kochar. And you can see lovely healthy recipes. My videos will consist majority of healthy recipes with the name of Night Chef by Chef Sarthak Kochar. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Name is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kochar. Pan is already heated up. See, you can see our lovely tortilla is ready. We will just put in a pan. It's getting cooked. You have to cook tortilla for 2 minutes each side. If you see your pan is not that hot, you can make it 2.5, 3 minutes as well. Till the time it is getting ready, we will roll one more tortilla. The people who have joined late, they can have a look.
Chef Joginder Pal Kochar is asking, butter can be used instead of olive oil?
Yes, Mrs. Joginder Pal, you can use butter, but if you want to be healthy, eat olive oil, but in a right quantity. You can see I'm rolling again.
Meanwhile, you can see the tortillas is coming lovely.
Yes, it is. It looks lovely. We will cook it nicely from both the side. I need to see. It will take 1 more minute. Till the time, I'll roll it again. And if you have any questions, you can share.
Ratnesh is saying, very nice, Chef. We will try all your recipes. They were amazing.
Thank you so much, Ratnesh. Any other questions?
There are questions. I'm just going back.
Definitely. We have to answer each and every question. Guys, don't worry. I'm gonna answer each and every question like last time. Like last time, what we did, I answered until 3 days. And thank you so much for supporting me. My videos reached almost 300k views, and I'm back again with Amul because of your love. This time, let's cross more than 500k. See, you can see, wow, it looks lovely.
Mukta Bhattacharya, she's saying, really, it's too beautiful kitchen.
Thank you so much, Miss Mukta. Now you can see we are making another piece of tortilla. We'll cut it again.
Chef, many of them are complimenting your kitchen setup.
Thank you so much. You can see this lovely kitchen setup every day on my Facebook profile, Chef Sarthak Kocha.
Kamal Bhatia has a question. Can we powder the flaxseed in a mixer grinder?
Yes, you can powder the flaxseed in the mixer grinder. Make sure the mixer grinder is not wet. गीला नहीं होना चाहिए वरना आपका सारा पाउडर खराब हो जाएगा. Tortilla is ready. Wow.
Sonia Verma is saying it looks mouth-watering.
Thank you so much, Sonia. Now we can see our second tortilla. We will just remove it on the butter paper. And you can see I'm cooking the second tortilla.
Chef Sangeeta Agarwal is saying, advise your YouTube page.
My YouTube page is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kocha. There is a link on the live video of my Facebook, of my Instagram, and of my YouTube.
Okay, Joginder Pal Kochar is asking, after preparation, how can I eat it?
After preparation, I'm gonna make a filling and then you can eat with it. I'll show you the filling. So you can see our lovely tortilla is ready. This is the second tortilla. It is also almost ready from one side. I'll just remove my.
Sunita Kabra is saying, yes, awesome.
Thank you so much, Miss Sunita.
Mahi Lokesh is asking, you have any FB page or YouTube channel for more recipes, if you can repeat again?
Yes, my YouTube channel is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kocha. You just type Chef Sarthak Kocha, you will find my YouTube channel. Do subscribe, hit the bell icon and share with your friends. My Instagram is I am Sarthak Kocha. I'll ask my colleague, she can post all the links and everything in the comment section below.
Okay, B Square Infinity is asking, can we use coconut oil instead of olive oil?
Yes, coconut oil is lovely. It's really, really, really healthy. You know, if you are a South Indian, people usually eat in South India, they eat coconut oil and they are very healthy. Okay, so now our tortilla is ready. Our second tortilla is, you can see it looks lovely. So what we're gonna do now, you can see we have two kind of tortilla. You can see we have two kind of tortilla, right? Now I'll be preparing one healthy and one not so healthy with Amul cheese.
That's nice.
Yes. So one I'm gonna prepare with our lovely tzatziki, which I've prepared. You can see you have to just put the filling.
Okay, Chef, there are some questions like anything else apart from yogurt or your Greek yogurt?
Yes, you can use any, you can use grilled vegetables. If you don't like yogurt, you can use if you want to make it non-vegetarian, you can use any kind of meat. You can just cut some vegetables and you can use that one as well. So you can see it looks yum. We'll add some little bit more cucumber.
People say this looks lovely as it is.
I'm gonna add some paprika and we will close it. Here it is, our first wrap is ready. The second one, we're gonna add it again on induction. We will add some.
Chef Aman Mehta is asking again, what are you preparing?
Chef Aman, we are preparing Flexis tortilla with lovely cheese if you are a cheese lover, or if you like yogurt. The second one is with yogurt. Now I'm gonna chop some coriander.
Chef Vijay Sukhdev wants to know, can we use tortilla press?
Sorry?
Can we use tortilla press?
Yes, you can. No, tortilla press for flexes you can't because it is very delicate. Flexi's get, Flexi's powder. Once you make it tortilla, it will break. So you really need a very delicate butter paper to prepare. Now you can see we are just folding it. It's getting ready. Our tortilla is ready. I'll just put the leftover inside.
Chef Shelvis is saying hello from Martha. She will definitely subscribe to Chef Sarthak channel.
Thank you so much, Shalvesh. Thank you so much, Martha. This recipe is for Martha. Martha asked me to prepare something vegetarian, and this recipe is for weight loss. This recipe is really healthy. If you're vegan, you don't need to add yogurt. You can add any other vegetable, and this is for vegan. This is for keto. If you're on a keto diet, this is the perfect tortilla. So now, our second.
So there are some questions by
Yes.
Shenal. Can we use a filling of meat?
Yes, you can. You can use any sort of filling. No problem. So-
Krishna is complimenting. I love the lively way of presentation.
Thank you so much, Krishna. This is our two sort of tortilla. Now, till the time we are keeping this tortilla on the side, it's time to prepare my second dish, which accompanies this dish totally. So I'm going to show you later on. The second dish is we are preparing chia, oatmeal, and noga. So let me just.
Isn't the chef looking more beautiful than the dish as well?
Who said that thing? Thank you so much. So now we'll just remove these ingredients. And we'll bring our lovely ingredients. Can I have the phone?
Yeah, please.
Definitely. So here it is. Here is the ingredients for my second recipe. It looks beautiful. And before starting, I would like to thank. I didn't thank Amul till yet for giving me the opportunity coming live again within a week. I was live on 7th of June and I prepared chocolate kunafa and Arabian delight, and I'm back again with Amul, and I would like to tell you about myself. My name is Chef Sarthak Kocha. I am head chef at Hilton Garden Inn, Ras Al Khaimah. So if you are visiting Ras Al Khaimah, don't forget to visit my hotel, see me, stay there, and we will take care of you. In Hilton, we talk about we are Hilton and we are hospitality. So we are here to take care of you. Don't forget to come to Ras Al Khaimah and visit my hotel, Hilton Garden in Ras Al Khaimah and Hilton Resort and Spa. We have two beautiful hotels in Ras Al Khaimah. You're gonna make sure you will love it.
Chef Sunita Kocher is saying it looks yummy.
Thank you so much, Mama. So it's time for my second recipe. It is
Mridula is saying it's a dream kitchen.
Thank you so much, Mridula. This is now my second ingredient. We will just remove these ingredients.
Chef, your boxes are very cute and very nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Joginder Pal Kocher is saying a lovely chef.
Thank you so much, Dad. See, here it is. We have berries. I'll show you. We have nuts. We have walnuts. We have sugar. It depends if you want to use sugar. We have almonds. Banana. Honey. And I'll just get my milk from here. We have milk. Here's milk. So guys, guess what I'm gonna prepare today? It's really lovely and amazing drink. I'm sure you're gonna love it.
Raki Bora is saying stylish chef.
Thank you so much.
Everything is cute and good by Mridula Goel.
Thank you so much, Mridula. Now we'll be using our blender. We have bowl. We have soaked chia seeds. Chia seed, I've soaked it for 2 hours. Oats, almonds, walnuts, cashew, berries, and sugar, and milk and honey. So we'll connect our blender. Okay, let me check. Yeah, it's working. So to start with our drink, what we have to add, we need to take milk. It's a low fat milk. And we'll add some cashews, some walnuts, some almonds, and honey.
Chef, there is one request by Abhishek Varghese.
Yes.
Can you show outside your house, your city? It would be interesting for everyone to see UAE.
Definitely, I will show you my city, but it's too dark outside. I will show you in my next video when I will be live in the daytime. This is what I wanted to say. I have a lovely sea view outside, but I will show you the sea view when I will coming in the evening or when I will coming in the morning session. So Abhishek, wait for my next session. I've added some chia seeds, oats.
Priya is saying it looks so healthy.
Yes, it is. It is very healthy.
Renu has a question. Can you use cow milk also?
Yes, you can use cow milk. This is cow milk, but this is low fat. And I'm putting some fresh berries, mixed berries.
Ratnesh is asking, Chef, I'm allergic to nuts. What can be the subordinates?
If you're allergic to nuts, you no need to add nuts. You can simply use oats. You can use chia. You can use honey. You can use yogurt, and just avoid adding nuts. You can eat. You can add raisins. You can add fruits such as apricots, and you can use fig. Fig is lovely and healthy. Now we'll blend it. Yeah, it is lovely. It is really nice, and we'll add some bit of milk, or if you want to make it thin, but I don't like thin, so I will not be making it so thin. And now what we'll do, we're gonna add banana.
Chef, there's a question. If vegan alternative to milk would be?
It would be soya milk, or you can have rice milk.
You can look at the color of the drink. It's looking lovely.
It looks lovely. I'll add some milk. Bit more milk.
Meena Sharma is saying it's yummy. V Square Infinity is asking, can we use almond milk?
Yes, you can use almond milk. You can use any kind of milk.
And there's one more question before you start again.
Yeah.
Arif Khan wants to know what is the quantity of oats you have used?
Oats, I've used 30 gram of oats, and see, I'm making 2 portions. But if you have to make 1 portion, you can use 15 gram of oats, and you can nuts is as per your own willing, how much you want. It is ready. It looks lovely.
It's just look amazing.
Yes.
And it will complement with your dish, chef?
Yes, it complements with my dish. That's why I made one drink and one midnight snacks for everyone. So now you can see our drink is ready. What I'm gonna do is, I've mentioned I'm using Noga. You know what Noga is? Noga is prepared with caramelizing sugar and adding nuts to it. I've already made it, so I'm gonna just show you a little of Noga recipe, and then I already have Noga. Sorry, I guess there was a connection error, so the video got shut down. So what I'm gonna do is, I'll be adding sugar,
Kaveri Goenka is saying, hi, chef.
Hi
So they
Kaveri.
are coming back again.
Sorry, the video got closed automatically.
Amita Gupta is asking, what is a Nova?
No, Noga is made up of caramelized sugar and nuts. You can see the nuts here, and this is Noga. Till the time it's getting ready, I will plate our lovely. I'll just cut it off so that you guys can see. This one is with Tazaski, and the other one is with mozzarella.
Chef, can you repeat them what you have made so that the viewers who have joined now know it better?
Definitely. I'm preparing flax seeds tortilla. You can see tortilla, and with lovely drink. I'm gonna put, it's an oatmeal and chia drink. You can see the sugar start getting caramelized. Once the sugar start getting caramelized, we'll add some nuts in it. You can see the lovely color. We'll add some nuts. See, this is Noga. This you have to cool it down in a butter paper for like 10 minutes, and the Noga is ready. So I've already prepared Noga for you, so you should not time. Now we'll pour the drink. We're gonna pour the drink here. Here it is. We'll add full bowl of.
It's just looking amazing, chef.
Thank you so much. We're gonna just put some chia on the top, some and some almond flakes. Here it is, our appetizer, our midnight snack. It's ready. Here it is. You can see it is flour flaxseed tortilla with chia oatmeal drink. Super healthy midnight snacks. You can prepare it at home. Everything is available. You can prepare this amazing recipe. It will fill your stomach, and you can go a good night. You can sleep very well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my recipe and having fun with this fun session with Chef Sarthak Kochhar.
Chef, you have some questions. Can you show me the box of products so it's easy to find here in Spain? There's a question from Mahi Lokesh.
Sorry, there is I think there is an internet problem now. So let's end up our session fast. I guess Amul even wants to end up so early. This is flax seeds, which I'm using for my powder. You can. It's up to you. You want to use almond nut, low fat milk. You want to use full fat milk, but I'm using low fat milk. You can see lovely glass of my drink, and this is our tortilla. So you can see here it is, our drink for today, midnight snacking, and this is our tortilla. Hi Satish, hi Imran. So guys, thank you so much for joining today. I hope you have liked my recipe. I hope you have liked the lovely midnight snacks, which I'm gonna have it today. I'm gonna have these snacks for my midnight, as it is, I know it is already late in India. It's already 12 o'clock. So make sure everybody stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to visit my YouTube channel. Go to my Instagram. I am Sarthak Kochar, and my YouTube channel is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kochar. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And don't eat unhealthy. Eat healthy. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you so much, Amul, for giving me this opportunity. And do we have any questions?
No, chef. For now,
Okay.
nothing. Because
Thank you
I
so
think
much.
the time is up.
Yes. Shubh Ratri. Good night. Shabba Khair. I'll see you next time again on Amul. And don't forget to come live every day on my Facebook, Sarthak Kochar, and with the lovely night recipes. Thank you.